how to change the touch and hold delay time duration on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. From here, scroll down and tap on touch and hold delay. Then we go down and tap on set touch and hold delay. Tap on the button down here. From the list, you can choose very short, 0.3 seconds, short at 0.5 seconds, medium, long, or you can set a custom time. So select one of the available options. Then tap on try it out. So here, try the touch and hold delay. And that's it. Now tap on the back key or tap on try again. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.